Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to make this delicious ice cream with Milky Mist cream. I call this as apple custard vanilla ice cream. For that I have taken 200 ml of Milky Mist cream. Whisk it until it forms soft peaks. Keep some ice cubes below the bowl to maintain the temperature. Now the stiff peaks are forming. Whisk it at low speed. You can stop whisking now. Now the stiff peaks have formed. Keep it aside and we'll prepare custard milk mixture. 1 cup of milk I have taken. To that we will add the custard milk mixture. Just give it a quick stir. To this we'll add half apple cut into small pieces. So let it boil for a while and then switch it off. Will not cook the apple for a long time. It's done now. You can switch it off and keep it aside. Now to the whipped cream we'll add condensed milk 3/4 cup. This is homemade condensed milk. The recipe with video is given in the I button. Now we'll add the apple custard mixture whatever we have prepared and then add the vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. So mix it well until it combines well. To this we will add some tutti frutti and again give it a quick mix. Yes, our ice cream mixture is ready. We will transfer the entire content to a clean container. Spread it evenly and then cover it with aluminum foil or any suitable lid. So freeze it for 10 to 12 hours or overnight. It's been overnight since I have kept it in the freezer. Yes, it is perfectly done now. Our ice cream is ready, as I told, which I call it apple custard vanilla ice cream. You can definitely try it at home. It is very easy, fast, and I'll tell you it is very tasty. Let me know how it was in the comment section. If you have liked this video, please hit like, do share with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.